In this video, we are going to learn how to solve systems by elimination. Now, essentially, this technique is adding equations together. Now, the reason we can do this so easily is because according to the addition property of equality, as long as we add the same thing to each side of the equation, it should be equivalent. So what we're doing is we're taking 4x plus 2y and we're adding 16 to both sides of the equation. Since negative 4x plus 3y is equal to 16, that's essentially adding 16 to both sides. But as I add them together, 4x plus negative 4x cancels, giving me 0x. 2y plus 3y is 5y, and 16 plus 9 is 25. And now I have a simpler looking equation, which is 5y equals 25. Divided by 5, y is just equal to 5. Now once you know what the value of one of your variables is, you can plug it into either one of the original equations. I'm choosing the top one, which will give me 4x plus 2 times 5 is equal to 9, which gives me 4x plus 10 is equal to 9. 4x will be equal to negative 1 by subtracting 10, and x equals negative 1/4. So the solution to this system is negative 1/4, comma 5. So you'll see this technique can be very quick. Now, where this technique requires some creativity is whenever you would go to add them, but nothing cancels out. So we're going to use the same property as we just talked about over here, but instead of adding to both sides, we'll multiply each side of the equation by a particular number so that they do cancel out later. So what I'm going to do to 2x plus 7y equals 4, I'm going to multiply it by 3, which will give me 6x plus 21y is equal to 12, because you have to multiply 3 to each side of the equation. Now the reason I pick 3 is because I'm going to pick negative 2 to multiply the bottom equation by. And when I multiply the left side of the equation, I'll get negative 6x, and I've just set up to eliminate the x variables when I add the equations together. But I will continue to multiply by negative 2, so negative 2 times 5y is negative 10y. Now it'll be equal to negative 2 times 5, which is 10. Now I will add these equations straight down. So the 6x plus negative 6x cancels. 21y plus negative 10y is 11y. And 12 plus 10 is 22. When I divide by 11, I get 2. Now I'll take that 2 and plug it into either one of the original equations. Last time I did the top equation. This time I'll use the bottom equation. So 3x plus 5 times 2 is equal to negative 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So 3x plus 10 is equal to negative 5. Subtract 10 from both sides of the equation. Gives me 3x equals negative 15. Divide by 3. X is equal to negative 5. So the solution to this system is negative 5, comma 2. Negative 5 for x, 2 for y. And that is how you use elimination to solve a system.